In this problem, we have a cosine graph that has been transformed and we want to sketch it. So this is in the form y equals a cosine times b x minus h plus k. So your amplitude is always the absolute value of a. Your period is 2 pi over b. Your vertical shift is k, and your horizontal shift is h. So let's figure out what each of these pieces are first. So y equals 2 cosine. Now notice b is the GCF of your what's inside your parentheses. So the GCF here I could pull out is 3, and that'll leave x plus pi over 4 plus 2. So now that I have factored this, I see what a, b, h, and k are. So my amplitude is the absolute value of 2, or 2. My period is 2 pi over 3, or b. My vertical shift is up 2, and my horizontal shift is left pi over 4. So if I am trying to sketch this graph, I need an axis. So what I'm going to do is sketch my original curve first, and then I'm going to shift everything left and up. So first, my period is 2 pi over 3. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is going to be 2 pi over 3. My amplitude is 2. So let's say this is 1, this is 2, this is 1, this is negative 2. So in order to label my x-axis, remember this period is split into 4 parts. So 2 pi over 3 over 4, 2 pi over 3 divided by 4 makes 2 pi over 12, which is pi over 6. 2 pi over 6 is pi over 3. And then 3 pi over 6 is pi over 2. And then this would be 0. This would be negative pi over 6. So my original cosine that's not shifted up or left, it starts at 2, comes down here, comes down to negative 2, comes back, and then comes up. So these are my original 5 points from my cosine graph. But I need to shift all of those points left pi over 4 and up 2. So this is pi over 6, which is 30. So pi over 4 is going to be a little bit more this way, and then up 1, 2. Pi over 4 will come this way, up 1, 2. Pi over 4 will come over this way, over this way, up 1, 2. Pi over 4 this way, up 1, 2. Pi over 4 over this way, up 1, 2. So this is my sketch of my transformed cosine graph. We could do more together if needed.